Hi all, I am Ajit Matthew, first year BCom student of Amal College. My roll number is 4. Today I am here to discuss about the topic importance of planning. So let's start. So as we all know that planning is the basic element required in every organization. Without planning, an enterprise cannot achieve its organizational goals. The first point is planning facilitates management by objectives. It means planning begins with determination of objectives. It highlights the purpose for which various activities are to be undertaken. In fact, it makes objectives more clear and specified. Without planning, an organization has no guide. Planning compels manager to prepare a blueprint of the course of action to be followed for accomplishment of objectives. The next step is planning minimize uncertainty. Business is full of uncertainties. There are risks of various types due to uncertainties. Planning helps in reducing uncertainties of future as it involves anticipation of future events. Therefore, with the help of planning, uncertainties can be forecasted, which helps in preparing standby. As a result, uncertainties are minimized to a great extent. The third point is planning facilitates coordination. Planning revolves around organizational goals. All activities are directed towards common goals. There is an integrated effort throughout the enterprise in various departments and groups. It avoids duplication of efforts. In other words, it leads to better coordination. It helps in finding out problems of work performance and aims at rectifying the same. The next point is planning improve employees' morale. It means planning creates an atmosphere of order and discipline in organization. Employees know in advance what is expected of them and therefore conformity can be achieved easily. This encourages employees to show their best and also earn rewards for the same. Planning creates a healthy attitude towards work environment which helps in boosting employees' morale and efficiency. So the fifth point is planning helps in achieving economies. Effective planning secure economy since it leads to orderly allocation of resources to various operations. It also facilitates optimum utilization of resources which bring economy in operations. It also avoids wastage of resources by selecting most appropriate use that will contribute to the objective of enterprise. For example, raw materials can be purchased in bulk and transportation costs can be minimized. At the same time, it ensures regular supply of the production department, that is overall efficiency. The next point is planning facilitate controlling. Planning facilitates existence of certain planned goals and standard of performance. It provides basic of controlling. We cannot think of an effective system of controlling without existence of well thought out plans. Planning provides predetermined goals against which actual performance is compared. In fact, planning and controlling are the two sides of a same coin. If planning is the root, controlling is the fruit. The next point is planning provides competitive edge. Planning provides competitive edge to the enterprise over the others which do not have effective planning. This is because of the fact that planning may involve changing in work methods, quality, quantity designing, extension of work, redefining of goals, etc. With the help of forecasting, not only the enterprise secure its future, but at the same time, it is able to estimate the future motive of its competitor, which helps in facing future challenges. Therefore, planning leads to best utilization of possible resources, which improves quality of production and thus the competitive strength of the enterprise is improved. So the last point is planning encourages innovations. In the process of planning, managers have the opportunities of suggesting ways and means of improving performance. Planning is basically a decision making function which involves creative thinking and imagination that ultimately leads to innovation of methods and operations for growth and prosperity of the enterprise. Thank you all for spending your valuable time for hearing me. Have a great day.